In this video, I'll show you how to use an infinitive as an adjective for a noun. Here are some examples of infinitives. Here's the word to, followed by the simple form of a verb. To meet, to do, to be. When an infinitive is used as an adjective, it comes after a noun. So if the word is people, this infinitive provides information about this noun, people. People to meet, things to do, places to be. All of these are infinitives modifying nouns. I have a job. In this sentence, this is the subject, this is the verb, and this is the object. It's possible to add to this an infinitive. I have a job to do. These two words function as an infinitive, and they modify the noun job. I have a job to do. We're looking for a house to buy. In this sentence, here's the subject. The verb is in the present continuous tense, are looking. Here's a preposition, for, and then the word house is a noun. This is a prepositional phrase. And to buy is the infinitive that describes the word house. We're looking for a house, or we're looking for a house to buy. You don't have to use the infinitive at the end of the sentence, but it does provide more information for this word. He has the most to gain. Here's the subject, verb. The word most here is a noun. And this infinitive provides information about the noun. The opposite would be to change the infinitive and say he has the most to lose. By changing the infinitive, you change the entire meaning of the sentence. I have somewhere to be later today. This is a pronoun, and then here is the infinitive. The infinitive just gives more information about this. I have somewhere to be. And this is not necessary, just added on for time. I have somewhere to be later today, or I have somewhere to be. I have something to do. Something is a pronoun, and the infinitive provides information about this word. The opposite, of course, would be I don't have anything. And then this is the pronoun. To do. Here's the infinitive, and it gives information about this pronoun. The right thing to do is to tell the truth. In this sentence, the word thing is the subject, and the verb for the subject is here, it's the verb be, is, and it's followed by an infinitive. This infinitive modifies or functions as an adjective for the word thing. The right thing to do is to tell the truth. It's important to recognize the difference between the infinitive and the main verb. One way to practice English is to listen to it every day. Here is a noun, way, modified by this infinitive to practice. And this is the subject in the sentence. This is the verb. This is another infinitive to listen. And here is a prepositional phrase, to it. This pronoun ends the preposition. This is one reason why it's necessary to think carefully about the differences between infinitives and prepositional phrases. Here we have an infinitive. Here is an infinitive following this verb. And then here is a prepositional phrase.